Meaning of Francis Palgrave.
Francis Palgrave.
Francis Palgrave.
Francis Palgrave.
Francis Palgrave. Francis Palgrave was a renowned English historian, writer, and archivist who lived in the early 19th century. He is best known for his work as Deputy Keeper of the Public Records, where he oversaw the preservation and cataloging of historical documents and records. He also authored several historical works, including the influential History of Normandy and England. Palgrave's contributions to the field of history and archival science were instrumental in establishing modern standards for record-keeping and historical research. His legacy continues to impact scholars and researchers today.